Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to adjust lock screen shortcuts. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next go to display settings. Now go to lock screen. Shortcuts. And here you can change left and right shortcut. You can select between none, camera, D&D, flashlight, home, mute, QR code, video and wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.